Welcome to the Top Tech Picks YouTube channel. Are you ready to transform your morning routine with the perfect cup of coffee? In today's video, we explore the best Breville Espresso Machine 2025, a game-changing device for coffee enthusiasts who demand professional quality at home. Discover how this top-of-the-line machine delivers barista-grade espresso thanks to its advanced brewing technology and intuitive controls. Whether you're looking for an upgrade to your current setup or starting fresh with the ultimate home espresso solution, this review covers everything you need, from its precise temperature control to its sleek, modern design. Stay tuned as we break down its features, performance, and value, ensuring you make the right choice to elevate your coffee experience in 2025. Don't miss out. Watch now and unlock the secret to perfect espresso every time. Number 5. Breville Oracle Touch Premium Automatic Espresso Maker for 2025. The Breville Oracle Touch Automatic Espresso Machine is a stellar option for anyone searching for the ultimate espresso experience at home in 2025. This state-of-the-art machine combines advanced automation with high-end design, making it one of the top contenders among Breville's lineup. Its intuitive touchscreen interface simplifies the process, allowing you to effortlessly select your preferred drink, from a classic espresso to a rich cappuccino or a silky latte. Equipped with a built-in grinder and milk frother, the Oracle Touch delivers barista-quality beverages with every use. The integrated grinder ensures that you get freshly ground beans for maximum flavor, while the automatic milk frother produces perfectly textured milk every time. Its brushed stainless steel finish not only exudes modern elegance, but is also built to withstand daily use. The machine's automation features, including automatic dosing and tamping, significantly reduce manual intervention while maintaining consistency and precision. With customizable settings and user-friendly controls, you can easily adjust the strength, temperature, and texture to suit your taste. Additionally, the Oracle Touch's efficient cleaning cycle and maintenance alerts make upkeep hassle-free. Overall, the Breville Oracle Touch sets a new standard for home espresso makers. Its combination of cutting-edge technology, seamless operation, and premium build quality make it a worthy investment for coffee enthusiasts seeking the best Breville Espresso Machine for 2025. Elevate your morning ritual with this exceptional machine that promises cafe-quality drinks at the touch of a button. Number 4. Breville Barista Touch Impress Review Ultimate Home Espresso Experience for 2025. The Breville Barista Touch Impress is a premium espresso machine that sets a new benchmark for home coffee making in 2025. Designed with coffee enthusiasts in mind, this all-in-one device features an integrated grinder, milk frother, and assisted tamping system that work together to deliver cafe-quality beverages effortlessly. Its intuitive touchscreen interface simplifies the entire process, allowing you to customize your drink preferences, from a robust espresso to a creamy cappuccino or latte with just a few taps. The machine's precision-engineered components ensure consistent extraction and optimal flavor, while the built-in grinder freshly grinds beans to enhance aroma and taste. The advanced milk frother creates perfectly textured milk for a velvety finish on every cup, and the assisted tamping feature takes the guesswork out of pressure control, ensuring a balanced extraction every time. Housed in a brushed stainless steel chassis, the Barista Touch Impress not only exudes modern elegance, but is also built to last, making it a smart investment for your home. Its user-friendly design and automated cleaning cycles further elevate its convenience, reducing maintenance efforts. Overall, the Breville Barista Touch Impress stands out as one of the top espresso machines for those looking to enjoy high-quality, personalized coffee at home. Whether you're a budding barista or a seasoned coffee lover, this model delivers an exceptional experience, making it a compelling choice for the best Breville Espresso Machine in 2025. Number 3. Breville Bambino Plus Compact Excellence for Home Espresso in 2025. The Breville Bambino Plus Espresso Machine in brushed stainless steel is an exceptional choice for home baristas looking to enjoy cafe-quality espresso without taking up too much counter space. This compact machine stands out with its rapid heat-up time, ready to brew in just 3 seconds, ensuring you can enjoy your morning espresso quickly and efficiently. One of the standout features is its automatic steam wand, which makes frothing milk a breeze, whether you're crafting a silky latte or a rich cappuccino. Designed with elegance and durability in mind, its brushed stainless steel construction not only adds a modern touch to your kitchen, but also guarantees longevity. The compact footprint means it fits comfortably in small spaces, making it one of the ideal options for home coffee setups in 2025. Overall, the Breville Bambino Plus delivers outstanding performance, ease of use, and style, making it a top contender for those seeking a premium espresso machine in 2025. Whether you're a budding barista or a dedicated coffee lover, this machine will elevate your home cafe experience to new heights. Number 2. Breville Bambino Plus Compact Espresso, Excellence for 2025. The Breville Bambino Plus Espresso Machine in brushed stainless steel is a remarkable addition to any home cafe, offering premium performance in a compact design. Perfect for those who value efficiency and style, this machine heats up in just 3 seconds, ensuring you get your espresso fix quickly without compromising on quality. One of its key features is the automatic steam wand, which effortlessly froths milk to create silky lattes and rich cappuccinos. The Bambino Plus delivers consistent temperature control and optimal pressure, resulting in a perfectly extracted shot every time. Built with durability and modern aesthetics in mind, the brushed stainless steel construction not only enhances its visual appeal, but also ensures longevity. The Bambino Plus stands out as a top contender among home espresso machines, combining speed, ease of use, and superior performance. For anyone looking to upgrade their coffee routine in 2025, this model offers a premium experience without the complexity of larger commercial machines. Whether you're a budding barista or simply love a great cup of coffee at home, the Breville Bambino Plus is a worthy investment that delivers cafe-quality beverages every time. Number 1. Breville Barista Express Impress Premium Espresso Experience for 2025. The Breville Barista Express Impress BES 876 BSS is an exceptional machine that redefines home espresso making for 2025. Built in brushed stainless steel, this elegant espresso maker combines advanced features with user-friendly design, making it a top choice for coffee enthusiasts and small cafe owners alike. It boasts an integrated grinder that freshly grinds beans for optimal flavor extraction, ensuring every cup is bursting with rich, aromatic intensity. The machine's precise temperature control and consistent pressure guarantee a perfectly balanced shot every time. A standout feature is the assisted tamping mechanism, which removes the guesswork from creating an even coffee bed, making it easier for both beginners and seasoned baristas to achieve professional results. The intuitive touchscreen interface streamlines the operation, while customizable settings let you fine-tune brew strength, temperature, and milk texture for lattes and cappuccinos. In addition, the Barista Express Impress comes with thoughtful design elements that enhance its durability and ease of cleaning, making it a reliable addition to any kitchen or home cafe. Whether you're upgrading your current setup or entering the world of gourmet coffee, this model's combination of innovation, style, and performance positions it as one of the finest espresso machines available in 2025. Elevate your coffee experience with this premium appliance that truly delivers a cafe-quality brew at home.